bilang 4D. Dito ko kayo nakilala as 4D student. Okay ba yun? So sana wala kayong grudges magbigay ko sa inyo kasi doon ko kayo nakilala at yun ang tatak sa akin, graduate na kayo, magkatrabaho man kayo, pagbalik na din, ay kayo yung ano, diba? Okay? Naging isang namumukot ka. Okay? So may I read the text. Cesar University High School Division, Mandaluyong City gives this distinctive blank for being unique on his or her own in the past school year 2009-2010 of the class 4D, given this 8th of March in this year of our Lord 2010, signed Mr. John Arthur D. Albasan, Faculty of Business Technology 4. Okay? So the first one is, dito ko siya nakilala talaga. Ito yung tinatawag Halakhak Award. Dahil sa pagkatawa na nadadala kami lahat, Stephen to Adan Devi. Okay, this one is I passed BT Award. I passed BT Award. Sino kaya siya? Sino yun? Kay Adayo John Kennedy. Yes. Isa-isa talaga. Ano lang pag ano lahat na. Oo nga. Oo lahat na. Ay, kay Adayo. Ay, wala pa dito.
Saro lang ba ngayon?
Isa.
Saro lang talaga ba ngayon na?
Imo.
Saro lang ba ngayon?
Naka-arrange siya.
Naka-arrange.
Okay, there are some awards na pare-pareho wherein nigay ko sila dun kasi lahat, kasi pare-pareho sila. Pare-pareho talaga. Okay, next one, nakaka-vertical talaga. Okay, this person, marami siyang love story sa buhay.
Arago!
Okay, the Love Stories Award goes to Arago.
Para naman buong buhay.
Next would be, ito, kasi dito ko rin siya nakilala sa paggawa nila. So wala ka kupad-kupad na gumawa ng reviewer. Basta, ito, kilala niyo to. Kilala ko siya kasi pumukot ang Miss Dota Award.
Oh!
So, namun si Villasor Nelisa. Okay, next is, the award is Contacts and Color Award. Lagi siya naka-contacts at lagi na
Yebes.
yung buho. Okay, lagi ba kundi si Yebes, Catherine? Kasi dito ko pa yung nakikilala, kaya binibigyan ko kayo ng identity.
Hala?
At this one, paano ko naisip to? Blackout Award. Kasi nung nag-brown out ko siya ang unang hinahanap. The term for this person is demure or demure award. Demure in a sense na lagi siyang may voice. Okay, this goes to Dayan Rosas.
Okay.
Next award is, kanina nakita niyo yung meaning niya. What is the meaning of addicture?
Adik sa picture.
Kita yan sa Facebook.
Ara.
Addicture. Ayan. To Annalisa Piola.
Tatanong
This
pa.
one, because of her loudest voice. Okay? The Loud Voice Award goes to Mary Jo. Okay. This one, ewan ko pa rin dahil narinig ko kasi this is for you to improve also. The Early Bird Award. Early Bird, nung palagi siya maaga kaso kabaligtaran. Okay? This Early Bird Award goes to John Ryan Ona. Okay, this one, ito. Palagi ko sa text may kakaiba. Kaya sinabi ko sa kanya natutunan ang word na move on. The Move On Award goes to Jose Maripas. Okay, this one. Nag-isa naman to eh. What is this? Small but terrible.
Jason.
Small terrible award goes to Jason Isoray. Okay, next is the Genius Award. Genius Award goes to Aramay Paula. Okay, next. Ito. I've watched a commercial kaya nakuha ko to eh. Give this distinctive award to this Fit Not Right Award goes to
Amiro.
Benedict Martin.
Fit not right.
Fit Not Right. Nag-request mag-picture daw. Then fit is fit but not right. Okay, this one is what we call the Maverick Award. Because Maverick, if you will look at the dictionary, Maverick means weird, odd, and different. So the Maverick Award goes to Carrie Jane Laureano. It's a positive word. Okay? Next is the Dancer Award. Kita ko yung kanyang potential. So, ayan. Dancer Award goes to Arvin Escobar. Ito, ewan ko, bakit ko nasulat to? Okay. The Award goes to AH, question mark. Goes to Jellica Biluno. Bali na lang kita kung ano yun. Okay, next is what's it called? A Pencil Award. Pencil because na-60 siya dahil sa pencil. The word goes to Trexie at Kahina.